Hello everybody, how are you? I hope everybody is fine. Today I bring another interesting topic in Excel, which is data sort. First of all, I would like to thank all of you to like my previous videos in a huge way, and I'm really thankful to all of you. So today we are going to discuss some sort function which will make your life very easy. Before wasting of more time, let's start the video now. Okay guys, we have this data, we have a sheet here, we have some data, and we have departments, we have code, we have names, we have bank account, grade, basic, house rent, conveyance, medical, and so on. And we have net salaries. This is a salary data we have. And if you see the first data, we have operation, finance, and everything is disturbed. And then we have a grand total. If you I'm deleting this grand total and refreshing your memory what I taught you last time, the auto sum function. If you have not if you have not seen this video, I'm giving you the link, so please watch this video and learn about auto sum. So auto sum is a function. I click here and I select the field which is automatically selected, and I press enter, and then I drag it to all fields, and I get all the total of the sheets. Okay, so our field is ready. Now I would like to sort it on the department wise. So what I will do, first I will select the data. I will select the data. I will not select the grand total because grand total is my formula. I just keep pressing the mouse left button and drag it till here, and I select the data. I go to data, then I press sort, and after sort I have three fields. I just want one field, so I will delete these levels. So I got only one level. I'm first doing on a very simple way. Very important, this field, my data has header. If you check this, so it will go down. But if you it assumes that you have a you already have headers, and the above line it will treat as header, but you have to uncheck it here. Similarly, let me give you another example. If you select this data like this, I select I remove the data by default manually, but if you select all the data, and now if you go to sort, so what will happen, let me delete this first. So what will happen that this is selecting the department code and this row one also, so it will consider that this is also your data, and it will sort it out as well. So we don't want, we says no, my data has a header, and it goes automatically down and consider that the first row is your header. I hope you understand. This is a very big mistake we always do in our practical life. So just make sure I deliberately did this mistake, so you guys can understand that this is actually not this is the mistake we do, and you have to be very careful. Now if you get the field like this, you have to first add level. After add level, you have to select this sort by, you have to sort by department. Okay, so you select the sort by department, cell value. There may be other options, cell color and font color and conditional formatting icons. This we will learn later on. Order A to Z. A to Z means ascending order, Z to A means ascending order, and custom list, you can make a custom list as well, which we will learn later on. So this is now if I click here, okay, see all the data is sort based on the department. So first distribution department, then finance and accounts, then IT, then marketing and sales, then operations, like this. So this is how we deal the sort function. Now let's make some more complications. Suppose your management wants that they want to see the people who is taking the most salary. So I select all. If I select everything, I select all, I go to this the same way I went last time. I select the data, I go to sort, I select my data is a header, so it is already left. I go to total, the total is here, and smallest to largest, no, I want largest to smallest, and cell value. I press OK. So in IT, Mr. Yunus Khan is taking most salary, the highest salary of the company. Then in operation, Mr. Khalid Ahmed, then Bakar Khan, and so on. This is the list, and the lowest salary is taken by. But why it is not sorted out? Why 8,900 is coming? Here let's see, maybe we select the wrong range. Let's do it again, make it undo. Yes, see, we missed the last field. See, I don't edit my videos. What mistakes I do in making the video, I deliberately leave it so you guys can understand that we also do the same mistakes. So this is one of the common mistake we do. We left the last field, so we select this field. Now we go to sort, and we select the total, and where is total? Yeah, here it is, and largest to smallest. We press OK. Now Mr. Yunus Khan is taking the highest salary, and Miss Aisha is taking the lowest salary, 8,964. So this is how we do. Now management wants that they want the data with department wise, and each department they want to see who is taking the highest salary. So I go to selection of the field, I select the field from here to there, and yep, that's correct. I go to sort, I want to sort with department. Let me delete this. I want to add this with the department. I select the department. Then I want to select, I want to sort it out on based on the total salaries. I select the total salaries, and then I add level. I want to select based on the names. So I select the column name. I press OK. So see the distribution, within the distribution, the total amount, I select the lowest to highest. I have to change it from highest to lowest. So I do it again. I select this field again. I go to sort. I select, just change this smallest to largest to smallest. I press OK. See the distribution, this is the highest salary, and they are also sorted out with this. Similarly, finance and accounts, second range and third range, and like this. So you can play a lot of data like this, and you can do as many fields sorting out as possible. Later on, I would like to give you a tip. And what is this tip? That suppose you have this column 1 5 6 7, you want to first copy this in columns. This is a row data. So how would you do? You either you do 1 and then 5 and type it. It will be very difficult. So just do very simple thing. Go to copy, control copy, and press the where you want to start your data. Right click, paste special, and there is a function here called transpose. I told this also in my video. If you have not seen this video, the paste function, paste special functions, please go to the link and see all the functions. Press OK, and see the magic. All the data comes here. So now you want to sort it out 1 2 3 4 5 like this. So the data is already selected, so I'm not going to select it again. I'm just simply going to sort, going here in option sort left to right. I press OK. I select the row 3 which is already selected. If it is not, then you have to select by manually and go to OK. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 automatically you can. I hope you like this video. If you have not subscribed to my video, please do it now and press the bell icon and circulate this video among your network. Thank you very much for watching. Please take care. Bye bye.